Hi, snoreforce.com here. I've been an avid snorer for my entire adult life. I didn't realize it was such a huge problem until my wife and I got married. I was 35 years old and I was waking her up at night. She'd get mad and wake me up. We weren't getting enough sleep and we both had to work the next day. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've already heard my story. But anyways, we seen a commercial for a stop snoring mouthpiece. We ordered it one night and it worked. So ever since then I've been trying out stop snoring products. This video is going to be about the Zyppah stop snoring mouthpiece. I don't even know how you pronounce it. It says it's guaranteed to stop snoring right here on the box. So we're going to put it to the test. Please watch the video and I'll give my review of the product at the end. Thanks. Zyppah stop snoring mouthpiece, take one.